Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to sign in to your ClickUp account if you forgot your email address. Losing access to your account can be stressful, but following these steps will help you regain access safely. Step 1. Go to the ClickUp login page and click on Forgot Email or Can't Remember Your Email if available. This will take you to the account recovery options. Step 2. Try using alternative email addresses you might have used to create your ClickUp account. ClickUp allows you to recover accounts linked to multiple email addresses, so check all possibilities. Step 3. If you still can't remember the email, check your inboxes for any previous messages from ClickUp. Search for keywords like ClickUp or Welcome to ClickUp to identify which email is associated with your account. Once you identify your registered email, go back to the ClickUp login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your email to receive a password reset link. Open the password reset email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. After resetting your password, log into your ClickUp account using the recovered email and new password. If you're still unable to access your account, contact ClickUp support. Provide as much information as possible, such as workspace names or previous subscription details, so the team can assist you efficiently. Following these steps will help you regain access to your ClickUp account, even if you forgot your email. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.